Welcome to Smart Study for Career. In this video, I will teach you top 10 general knowledge MCQ based on capital of country. Question. What is the capital city of Bhutan? Answer is Thimphu. Question. What is the capital city of Belgium? Answer is Brussels. Question. What is the capital city of Botswana? Answer is Gaborone. Question. What is the capital city of Brazil? Answer is Brasília. Question. What is the capital city of Brunei? Answer is Bandar Seri Begawan. Question. What is the capital city of Bulgaria? Answer is Sofia. Question. What is the capital city of Burkina Faso? Answer is Ouagadougou. Question. What is the capital city of Burundi? Answer is Gitega. Question. What is the capital city of Cambodia? Answer is Phnom Penh. Question. What is the capital city of Cameroon? Answer is Yaoundé. Thanks for watching full video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also like and share please.